As experts for dairy proteins manufactured in northern Germany, we would like to explain the vast possibilities of application in protein-fortified products. In elderly persons, it is especially essential to ensure a reliable supply of protein, for proteins help to maintain and build healthy bones and muscle tissue. Try our protein solutions for your high-calorie nutrition product. Improve the texture for your high-protein yogurts with our YOGUSTAB range. Check out LACTOGLACE, protein enrichment up to 12% with a neutral dairy taste and smooth ice cream texture. LACTOBAR can easily be used as protein source in recipes with dosages up to 30% protein or even more. The bars remain pleasantly chewable during storage for the whole shelf life. Our LACTOMIN range convinces with high-quality protein, a high content of essential amino acids and branched-chain amino acids, an excellent digestibility and a milky natural taste, available in 3 different solubility classes. Whether you need premium solubility or not, we have the right product. Our naturally sourced MILKYSTAB HP for protein-enriched beverages with neutral pH improves viscosity and reduces syneresis. Improve the mouthfeel and adjust the viscosity of your protein-fortified juices with our naturally sourced Lactomin ADS. Go with the trend and improve the biological value with the protein combination in your tasty spreads. If you're looking to enhance your cereal product with an extra punch of protein, contact us for ideas. Appeal to your health-conscious customers who are trying to build muscle while losing weight with delicious high-protein, low-carb, low-fat desserts. Our LACTOBAKE protein, either as partial or complete egg replacement in bakery products, ensures good availability and also greatly reduces the production and storage costs. We at Lactoprot deliver nature's best proteins, tailored to your business.